everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing a monthly reading for the month of February 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Taurus. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for the month of February 2021. I've already pulled out the oracle cards as I use different decks here, so I just chose to pull these cards out, off cam, so it would not take me much time. But yeah, I will be taking the tarot on cam. So yeah, stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages that are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's see what is going on for you in your life in the month of February. Taurus, let's see what's happening for Taurus in the month of February. Let's see. Let's begin. Seven of Wands, you're giving up on something, feeling that you have to do this now. It can be a situation, it can be a relationship, it can be something that was bothering you lately. And I feel like, for some of you, maybe it's more of that energy where you are working towards something now. Maybe you had kind of given up on it. It's more like you are giving up on something. Like it's more of you are ready to take action towards something now, is what I'm picking up. It's more of that energy where you are, maybe, if you have been doing nothing lately, you are planning to give up on that, and you're gonna do something productive or out of it or around it. So if you have been single, you might be feeling like, nah, maybe I need to consider love life. If you have been like, taking your work so lightly, I do see you are ready to take some sort of action now, is what I'm picking up. Let's see more cards here. Eight of Swords. I feel like, you are going to realize that you doing nothing around the situation has been keeping you blocked. And maybe you always needed to change your attitude, your mindset around this one thing. And that's the reason why you are giving up on that old patterns of dealing with this thing. And you're going to take action towards, making things right, working towards what you want. You are going to realize that it was getting you nothing. The whole situation that you were doing, or the whole situation that you are trapped in right now, it was getting you nothing. So you have to make some movement, you have to make some action, you have to take some decisions maybe. So I do see you taking all of that or doing all of that. Let's see more cards here. Yep, I do see you working towards now. Whatever it is that you have been concerned about, maybe you were not taking any, inspired actions towards it. And I do see now is going to be the time when you are going to start taking actions towards it. So you could find, it's just more like, if you have had this, wish of yours, I want to buy a car, but you were not doing anything, like neither a practical plan was there, nor like, anything, there was not, any roadmap to that wish of yours. I do see that, if you had the roadmap, you never took action towards it. So it's more of that energy where you are preparing yourself to go on a journey, preparing yourself to start taking actions towards that one goal of yours. So it's going to help you release anything that was blocking you. And I feel like, it was more of that energy where maybe you were tired, or maybe you were too lazy, maybe you were too busy, maybe you were too caught up in your thoughts that you were never ready to take any action. Maybe you were never to leave your comfort zone. Maybe you were so stuck in your mind around it that you were like, blocking yourself because of the, overthinking around it. So I feel like, now is going to be the time when you would be taking action towards this, because you cannot do this any longer. You have to give up on this. You have to give up on the things that you were thinking around it, so you could take the right action forward. Let's see more cards here. Nine of Wands. Yep, you are going to leave everything that you were doing. It's more like, it's going to transform you. I don't know what is going to be the thing which is going to trigger this change in you, or this, this what we call it. It's more like, you're feeling enthusiastic to take some actions in this regard, whatever it is. It's a love life situation, work life situation. But yes, I do see you now ready, preparing yourself to take action. But in the past, you had kept yourself out of it purposely. Like, whatever it is that you're going to take action towards, you were not taking action purposely around it. You had your guards up against it. Let's see more cards here. Six of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Six of Cups. This could be a love life situation as well, or a past, or a childhood dream maybe. It's more like, now you are ready to take actions, leaving your comfort zone, working towards it, and preparing yourself to do the things that you should have done in the past, but it is never it's never too late, basically. So I do see you now preparing yourself, putting your guards down, and taking action towards what you always wanted to have. But you were not taking right action before regarding the situation. Yeah, you were overthinking about it. You were not taking any action. It's more of that energy which you are going to give up. And let's see, what is it that you're working towards? Why you are disappointed in yourself? I feel like, you were too focused on your, it is more of that energy where you always, had you yourself or as your top priority. You always ignored, neglected other people's needs when they were connected to you. Maybe now you don't have those people, but you want to take action towards them. This could be a love life situation for majority of you, is what I'm picking up, because you had certain blocks around it. Maybe you were too focused on your own, agendas, neglecting the other person's needs, requirements around the situation. And now you're feeling like, no, you did it wrong. You have either lost them now, or you are fearing that you will lose them. I feel for majority of you it is already over between you and this person. It's just that now you're, regretting your attitude towards this connection, towards this person as well. And this person on the other hand is what I'm picking up, is like, they are not in communication with you. They have pulled themselves out of this connection with you for sure. And now you're going to be reaching out to them as if there has nothing happened between the two of you. And you're going to, act as if you, it was like, as if everything is okay between the two of you. You have love for this person. You do miss this person a lot, but this person is not going to be, is out of touch from you for sure. Let's see which color is going to be lucky for you. Silver. Be persistent. Number 27. I feel like, this person could have been, very persistent when it comes to you and them together in the past, but now they have given up on you. And because they always felt that, when I see it from their perspective, I feel like, maybe they always felt that they were blocking themselves by keeping themselves on the waiting side for you. And as they moved on, you're gonna start feeling that for them. You're gonna start feeling, maybe I was blocking myself, my own path, because of my work, my other goals and stuff, and I have nothing now. So it's gonna be more of that energy where you are basically both mirroring each other. You understand that you were blocking yourself, you moved on. Sorry, they thought that they were blocking themselves, by keeping, themselves on wait for you. They were blocking themselves. They chose to move on. Now you are feeling the same for them. Now you're feeling that thing for your work. You have kept yourself in self-imposed blocks because you thought that that work is more important. But as they walked away, you're gonna realize, oh my god, I was, keeping myself blocked thinking that way. I need to talk to this person. I need to be with them. So that's gonna be like, that kind of energy. As they left you, you're gonna start missing them. As they left you, you're gonna start thinking like, oh my god, what, I must have done something wrong there. So that's going to be the thing. I feel like, it's going to be a role reversal for the two of you, where you are going to be the persistent one now in this connection, where you are going to be the one making effort to make things right in this connection, is what I'm picking up. Emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. I feel like, you will be feeling emotional right now around this person. And when it comes to the other person, I feel like, they have basically healed themselves from you, or at least they're going to be trying. It seems like, something has recently happened between the two of you, is what I'm picking up, where your person chose to walk away from you and now you are feeling lost without them. Let's see more cards here. Divine order. Everything is how it needs to be right now. Look past the illusion and see underlying order. I feel like, this was meant to happen this way, because otherwise you wouldn't have valued them. If they stayed with you, you would always take them for granted. As they left you, now you are missing them. Now, as they removed their self-imposed block, thinking that you were nothing more than a block in their life, they walked away. Now, as they did so, now you're thinking the same for your work. I do see that you think that your work has been like a block for you. Now you want to pursue your love. So it's more of, you both might have kept each other stuck. And as one let go of that block, the other person is also going to let go of their self-imposed block as well. And that's how you both are going to come back together. Let's see. Sensitivity. You are extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. You will be honoring your feelings and emotions right now, which you always neglected. So it's going to be a very sensitive period for you for sure, regarding your love life. Victim. Oh my God. You feel like a victim and they feel like a victim. They feel like a victim to the love that they had for you, and you are feeling like a victim for to the work scenario that you entrapped yourself into. So you both are feeling, you both are on the same page, but you are feeling certain things for different things. Like, your person is feeling that for you, you are feeling that regarding your work. Show the world the real you. I do see that, it's time for you to tap into your power, so you could take actions towards what you truly want, instead of, like, keeping yourself stuck for getting nothing out of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this month time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.